Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to teach you that how you can hide the display of the subscribers count on your channel. So let's start. After opening the YouTube, we will click on the icon of our channel. After clicking on the icon, we will click on the YouTube Studio. As you all have seen that the YouTube Studio has been opened, now we will go to the settings for further. Now click on the settings to open the settings. After the settings have been opened, we will click on the channel and then we will click on the advanced settings. You can see that it is also asked that do you want to set your channel made for kids. You can choose yes, no, or I want to review for every video. Also don't show plain words. The main topic is subscribers count. So here is it. It says display the number of people subscribed to my channel. We remove this tick, and after removing this tick we will click on the saved button. It says that the settings have been saved. I have taken multiple screenshots of computer and mobile. You can see there is no display of subscribers count. If you liked the video, kindly like it, share it, comment it, and if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe. Bye guys.